All right, everyone, welcome back. Today I got something absolutely magical for you, a birthday cake with just 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right. This is perfect if you're in a pinch or just want to keep things simple. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You're going to need 3 things. 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 eggs. That's it. If you've got those, you're ready to bake. Now, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for getting that perfect bake. Grab a mixing bowl and start with the eggs. Crack all 4 of them into the bowl and whisk them up until they're nice and fluffy. This should take about 3-4 minutes by hand or just 1. 2 minutes if you're using an electric mixer. The key here is to get lots of air into the eggs. This will help your cake rise beautifully. Next, add in your sugar. Pour it in gradually while continuing to whisk. You want the mixture to become smooth and slightly thickened. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the eggs and sugar turning into this lovely creamy mixture. Now, it's time for the flour. Sift your self-raising flour into the bowl, a little at a time, and fold it in gently. You don't want to knock out all the air you've just whisked in. Keep folding until you've got a smooth batter with no lumps. All right, your batter is ready. Line a cake tin with parchment paper or give it a light grease to make sure nothing sticks. Pour your batter into the tin, smoothing it out so it's nice and even. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake for about 25-30 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown on top and a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. While that's baking, let's talk about decoration. With just 3 ingredients, you might want to add a little something extra on top. Fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or even a simple icing made from powdered sugar and a bit of milk will do wonders. And there you have it, a beautiful, simple birthday cake with just 3 ingredients. Perfect for any celebration, and you didn't even break a sweat. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy baking. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes. Cheers!